Alright, so kids, ready na ba? So kids, ready na ba kayo gumita ng ating last special guest? Alright, so all together, let's count into 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's all welcome Kid Maxon! Alright, kids, let's give it first to Kid Maxon. Tapos susulat natin si Kid Maxon. Alright, so now we have our complete McDonald's land character. Okay, again, family picture muna tayo. Ayan. Okay, kids, look at the camera, kids. Grab the opportunity to take picture with our four McDonald's land characters. Okay, kids, face the camera, kids. Harap kayo sa camera, kids. Harap muna kayo sa camera, kids. Okay. Okay, kids, settle down, kids. Quiet muna tayo, kids, ha? And then look at the camera, kids.